When I was younger, I found myself on the wrong side of the law. I became an illegal entrepreneur and I began to sell drugs. In the process, I hurt myself, my family, and my community. I realized I no longer wanted to be a product of my environment, and it was time for a change. Today, I'm a social entrepreneur, and I've learned to place my value on people and the change that we can all enjoy collectively. The truth is, I'm using a lot of the same skills I've used when I was younger. The only difference is I'm on the right side of the law. When it comes to business or employment, everyone is looking out for themselves. What does that mean? You should know the rules of the game, how they work, and how they can be applied. I'm teaming up with EduCalois so we can offer free legal workshops to Black, Indigenous people of color. We'll cover the main concepts that'll protect you at work or while you run your business. Entrepreneurship has always played a significant role in my life. I grew up watching my mother embrace the risks and challenges affiliated with several business ventures in the heart of Little Haiti. Through her example, it gave me confidence that I could one day do the same. Little Burgundy reminds me a lot of Little Haiti due to its rich history of Black entrepreneurship, arts and culture from a Black diaspora from all over the Caribbean. We're standing in Rufus Rockheads Park, named in honor of one of Quebec's greatest Black businessmen. In the 1920s, Little Burgundy was considered as Harlem North. During this great time, Rufus decided to found Rockheads Paradise. It was the first Black establishment to have a liquor license in Quebec. It catered to great acts like Ella Fitzgerald, Louis Armstrong, Oliver Jones, Oscar Peterson, and Billie Holiday. Whether it's your paycheck, vacation, or signing your contract, there are things you need to know. Sign up for our free legal workshops to learn about your rights. Knowing the rules can help get you what you want. It can also protect you because what you don't know can and will hurt you. And that is why knowledge is power.